Everyone loves drawing, but no one wants to start because at first they compare them with those who are good in that field, and that's where they stops. So here is a challenge only for 7 days which will help you to grow a habit of drawing. This is the poster I made for the art challenge, and there is a giveaway. Let's talk about the art challenge first. Here is the prompt list which I have created. I kept it simple, but try to create something with your imagination. It won't take that long to create. So at the end of the challenge, I will choose 3 winners. First winner will get one free Dribbble invitation. Here is the mail from Dribbble. As you can see, they sent me an invitation to invite a designer or an illustrator whose work I would like to see in Dribbble. Those who don't know what Dribbble is, I will show you. It's a platform where you can discover world's top designers and artists, and you can follow them for inspiration and as reference for your drawing ideas. As you can see, these are popular shots by artists and illustrators from all over the world. You can sign up here and follow artists and designers in your niche. Various different categories are there like animation, illustration, branding, print, product design, etc. etc. And also you can personalize content according to your need. Coming back to the giveaway, you can get one brush set pack and one premium color palette. These brush sets and color palettes are created and tested by me. Before showing you the brush sets and color palettes, let's see the rules first. You have to follow me on Instagram and share this post in your story. Then the second one is you have to draw or sketch for every single day for 7 days. Then you can create your drawings with whatever medium you are comfortable with. Try to create with your imagination. I know it's hard to start with, but if you stick to the simple and basic prompt list, it will be way easier to create, and also you can add anything to this topic to show some creativity. And while posting the artwork, don't forget to mention me and use the hashtag Sumit7 because I have to evaluate. So if they are under this hashtag, then only I can check them, right? Then coming to the evaluation criteria, this is based on how creative your drawing is and of course your consistency. So to make it more simple, I'm gonna show you the outcomes of the last art prompt. So this is the prompt list of the last art challenge. I will show you one by one. So these are from my side. Here is the first one. I took the reference from a real plant in my house, and you can see the result. Then a book, you can say a spell or magic kind of thing. Then instead of drawing one fruit, I created many of them to create a pattern sort of thing. Then a monster which came out really well, where I played with the shadows, highlights, different blend modes and colors. Then I posted a step-by-step process of making it. If you want to check it out, it's there in my Instagram. Then in cup animation, then a fish, and lastly a house. So basically what I'm trying to say you guys, in these 7 days you can do a lot of experiments and can explore different methods to find your own art style. Okay, now let's see the brush palettes. First I will show you my texture brush set. The first one is a leather brush. You can see the crisp clear texture of the brush. Then the second one is a textile brush. Let me zoom in. Then the sand brush. You can see the grains. Then here is the concrete one. All these texture images are created and edited by me. Then a paper texture. This texture is about 300 GSM paper. Then a cloth texture, and finally the stone one. So these are my texture brushes. These are my pattern brushes. I will show you one by one. The first one is inspired from a woven fabric. Then this one is a foliage pattern brush. Then here is a brick pattern. This is quite popular Flemish bond in architecture. Then a Memphis pattern. Memphis is quite popular for its bright neon, primary pastel colors and geometric shapes. Then this one is inspired from honeycomb. The last one, which is my favorite, this is an organic pattern I have created after playing with the basic shape of a circle. All the grain sources are designed and crafted by me. So that's it. Next, coming to the color palette. There are 6 color palettes which I have created. All these 180 colors are handpicked by me, playing with the hue, saturation and values. This is a combination of warm and cool colors. All colors in the brush sets are complement to each other. Then the Vintro. You can say it's a combination of vintage and retro colors to give a old vintage kind of look to your artwork. Then the pastel one. it can give a mysterious look to your drawing. Then the third one, which is my favorite, from the last couple of months I'm using this color palette mostly. Then this one consists of color which give you drawing a fresh and young feeling. Then the last one is good for interiors, landscaping and all. So this is all about the giveaway, and finally share it with your friends and creative folk. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel to see the result and to get the updates about this art prompt. Hope you like it. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.